Now, your first warned weather forecast from meteorologist Jordan Wolfe.
A backdoor cold front passing through the state line from east to west has dropped our temperature in Rockford already 9 degrees just in the last couple of hours, and in some spots even further. Temperature down in the low 60s when you look in a few spots out to the north and northeast. Poplar Grove 62, Harvard 61 degrees right now, 73 meanwhile in Rochelle, 70 in Rockford, 75 down in Sterling, and just a little while ago that number was even in the low 80s. You can see where that front has started to pass through as winds picking up out along it, and likely noticing that wind picking up outside as well as that temperature drop as well. Wind speed around 15 to 20 miles per hour in some spots out of an easterly direction or a northeasterly direction. That's starting to draw that cooler air mass in. Certainly the case with our Mercy Health SkyTrack camera overlooking Freeport, brought to us by the Rockford Career College, noting that easterly winds starting to blow the flagpole around, as well as some of that cloud cover that's begun to pick up in intensity just a little bit. As far as the cloud cover goes, now within some of that, we're also seeing the development of some showers and even a couple rumbles of thunder. All of this is south and west of Rockford right now. You even see a couple of those stronger showers and thunderstorms just across the western fringes of the viewing area, even now moving into far eastern Iowa. Highest coverage of the shower activity across portions of Whiteside County, where even a few rumbles of thunder. All of that again south and west of Rockford right now, out along and just ahead of that front. Likely many spots north and east of this will remain fairly dry, as the bulk of that cloud cover and those showers will remain south and east. That's what Futurecast has, likely continuing to see that trend over the next several hours. A pretty good view of where those showers currently are with Futurecast, and likely will remain. Not all that fast moving, as this cold front isn't a fast moving cold front either, but they will continue to clear out as we head closer and closer to sunset, and we'll even see some of the cloud cover begin to clear out going into early tomorrow morning. That paired with that front will allow our temperature to drop, eventually making it back down into the mid 40s, and even some spots possibly down into the low 40s. We'll see those numbers only rebound then again tomorrow back to the 60s with some of that sunshine, and then we'll see another colder night going into Friday morning, possibly some spots well into the mid 30s, if not even a little bit cooler. We then rebound again close to that 70-degree mark going into Friday. Over the weekend, we'll have a little bit more of a changing weather pattern. This cutoff low that's been stalling down to our south will start to lift a little bit further up to the north. That will replace the outgoing high pressure, bringing us a little bit of that warmer weather going into the weekend, and also eventually more in the way of rain chances. Those rain chances will arrive as the edges of that cutoff low arrive going into Monday and Tuesday, but we'll have a stronger weather system to look at going into the middle of the week. This one will bring some more widespread moisture with it, along with that more widespread potential for some rain showers. Before we get there though, our rain chances looking pretty slim over the next 5 days. Weather Prediction Center forecasting very little rainfall, and most of what we have around us is from that activity going on at the moment, which is mostly south and west of Rockford. Likely our only rain chances that we'll see along another cold front going into Saturday, which is another very, very slim chance, and then higher coverage of those chances as we go into early next week. We'll also see temperatures on the rise, 64 for Thursday, up to 69 for Friday. Quite a bit of sunshine as we head into the early part of our weekend. Back to the 70s, that slim chance for a shower along the front on Saturday, and then even a few days pushing the low 80s with more widespread rain on the way for the middle of the week.